Hi students, welcome back to Social Science class. In the previous class, you have learned about the different styles of temple architecture in India during medieval period. Can you say which temple is known as Black Pagoda? Yes, very good. Konark Sun Temple. You have learned about the style of architecture of Mahabalipuram temples, cave temples at Ellora, the Khajuraho temples, the Brigadeshwara temples, etc. Okay students, shall we continue this topic? A new style of architecture developed during the Sultanate period. It is known as the Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Skilled architects from Turkey and Persia were brought to India for the construction of different structures. The indigenous sculptors, laborers and masons also joined them. The Indo-Islamic style developed as a result of the combination of the styles of both the groups. Shall we examine the major features of this style? Arches, domes and minarets were the notable features of this style. Figures of flowers and plants were carved for decorating the buildings. Mortar, red sandstones and marbles were used for construction. Spacious gardens were set on the building premises. The Qutub Minar was the first building constructed in this style. The construction of the Qutub Minar was started during the reign of Qutbuddin Aibak, the founder of Sultanate. Later, Iltutmish completed the construction in 1220. A tall tower and balconies projecting from it are the striking features of this building. The Indo-Islamic style became popular during the Mughal period. The Mughal kings constructed several forts, mosques and tombs in this style. Students, in this class, we are going to have a look at a few of these structures. Shall we start? Humayun's tomb in Delhi is an epitome of this style. It was the first garden tomb in India and is located in Nizamuddin East, Delhi. It is made of red sandstone and marble. The Taj Mahal was constructed in the style and form of this monument. The Taj Mahal in Agra was constructed by Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is the best example of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. It is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the bank of river Yamuna. It is widely considered as one of the most beautiful buildings ever created. Students, can you identify this picture? Yes, it is Red Fort in Delhi. Red Fort is a historic monument in the city of Delhi constructed by Shah Jahan as a result of a capital shift from Agra to Delhi. This is the most important fort built during the Mughal period. The fort is made entirely of red sandstone. Every year, on India's Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the India's tricolour flag at Red Fort. Another building constructed in this style is the Jama Masjid in Delhi. Marble and red sandstone were used for its construction. The Jama Masjid in Delhi is one of the largest mosques in India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Gol Gumbaz in Bijapur was constructed during the reign of the Bahmani Sultans. The Charminar in Hyderabad was constructed during the reign of the Qutub Shahi Sultans. These two monuments are also examples of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Okay students, today we have discussed about the Indo-Islamic style of architecture in India during the medieval period. We will continue this topic in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.